Welcome viewers to another automotive repair video. In this video we're going to look at this key fob. It's not the immobilizer, but it's the unlock and lock fob for a Mazda 626, and the problem with it is it's not unlocking. And if you listen to it, I'll just get up there. That's the lock, you can hear it clicking, but there's nothing from the unlock. What I would imagine is that the tactile switch inside is broken off the PCB, which is very common. To open up this, all you have to do is come in this side here where the key ring is, and you could use a screwdriver. Would do as well. Don't know if you're getting that. And it's open. And now I'm going to just take this battery out. And now we're left with this. We should be able to get this out. It should lift out. Or you can just push it out and remove the rubber pad, and immediately we can see the problem. This tactile switch has come off its pads here. I should be mounted in that position there. But I would imagine it's still gone. You can hear that clicking? There's no click from that. What would happen is the driver would lock no problem, but would be pressing harder and harder, and that force on that switch would undo the solder connections here that hold it onto the PCB. What I have to do is order one of these tactile switches, find a supplier from it. For tactile switches I normally use a source from eBay or Radionics or as components. Radionics is always better because you can use a part number and you'll always get that part number every time you order it. But as you notice with this, its button is completely flat. There's no protruding piece coming out the top, so it's flush. The button is actually flush with the button unit, and the same with the one that's left in the PCB. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean up that solder, freshen it up a bit, and when I get a new tactile switch, I'll put it in. I got a switch from a company called Radionics. It's the nearest one I can get. It's 6mm by 6mm squared, and it's about 2.5mm high, which is about the same as the one that's in it. It's the closest match I can get. I've cleaned off the PCB with some alcohol, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stick a little bit of solder one of the pins here to enable the tactile switch to be soldered into the board. Okay, going to solder the other legs in now. Yeah, that's it. Soldered back in. Start putting it back together. See how it feels. Okay. Put the battery back in. And put together. It should slip in on one side over here like that. I don't know if you're getting that or not. And then just clamp it together. There's a softer feel to the switch that I put into it, but it's the nearest match I could get to the original switch that came out of it. I hope that's of some help out there for someone here to trying to repair a key fob. Thanks for watching.